Okay, we're still messing with this engine. Got some new spark plugs, but we're gonna, since the valve cover is so easy to take off, I'm gonna take it off and take a peek and see, because we're stuck. We changed the coil, moved the injector, but we're still having trouble with it misfiring on number 7. Apparently these engines have sometimes rocker issues. Whoa. See what it looks like inside. See if there's an obvious problem why she wants to misfire. Mechanically. Whoa. Got a gasket coming in here too. Probably more mud too. I gotta try to keep that gasket where it's at. I'll line it up after. I'll probably have to clean all the mud off it anyway. Sheesh. Mud everywhere. At least I'll know the orientation of it. I'll look inside there and see. If you can see anything obvious. Let me pause there for a second until I put this away.